Let's take a left-hand turn, and we're going to go down to this abandoned mill. I think they have one of the coke ovens, or the ovens that used to fire up some of the ore that they used to dig here, and then they used to melt it down. We're going to go over and take a gander at it. So we'll go over here and park, and then we'll go over here and take a look. Yeah, they used to load it up on the railroad cars. I think this is an oven, the best I remember.
The furnace? Mm-hmm.
The furnace, exactly. Call it the furnace. It's a wonderful piece of history. The Foster Falls Furnace. So it was an iron furnace, actually, used along the New River.
Mm-hmm.
Back in 1880. It was the Virginia Iron, Coal, and Coke Company. And here's the pig iron that they used to produce. And they have a gate over the front of it, so you can't get up into the furnace itself. It's pretty amazing to look at, to know that these have been here since the 1800s. It's amazing that they could build such a structure back then, and they used natural materials, by the way. And here's the remnants of the buildings that used to sit here. Beautiful grounds.